welcome to the Foodie. I am Mansi. Today I'm going to show you my all-time favorite recipe called Tawa Pulav. Whether it's a long day's work, when you come back and you want to have a quick meal, this is just right for it. Or you can carry it in your lunch box, or when you have unexpected guests. It's so easy, so quick, so yummy, and I'm very happy to show this to you. Let's start. So here I have a kadhai and I'm going to add 2 spoons of oil in it. To that I'm going to add a small spoon of butter for the taste and add some cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Once you feel the butter has melted, just keep the flame on medium at this point. Once you feel the butter is melted, we'll add the carrots. This is roughly about 1 cup of carrot. And just cook for a bit. We'll add the shimla mirch and cook. At this point, you can try and make the flame high. That's perfectly okay. Now we are going to add the onion. Keep stirring. You can't stop stirring. Add some salt. You might feel like you're chopping a lot of vegetables, but making this rice is going to take less than 10 minutes. I've added the boiled peas. It's really colorful and nice. Just keep mixing on high flame. Because we've added the salt, the veggies will cook fast. So we've been stirring this on high flame for about a minute. I'm going to add the cabbage at this point. This is about 1.5 cups and mix again. So as you see, in another 1 minute, all the vegetables have become nice and soft. Don't overcook because you want the crunch also. So now at this point, I'm going to add the Garam Masala, the Pav Bhaji Masala and the black pepper that we have. Now I'm going to add the Red Chilli Powder. Just keep mixing. And the tomato sauce. So we've stirred this on high flame after adding the cabbage. It's almost done. We want it to be a bit crunchy, the veggies. So at this point, I'm going to add the boiled rice into this. And now put the gas on slow. And now just gently mix. You don't want to break the rice. We are in the final stage, so we're just gently going to mix now. As I said, to make this you're going to take less than 10 minutes. So our rice is nicely mixed with the veggies. Now we need to put some salt. We put very little in the beginning. So we are going to add the required quantity as per your taste. And dhania. It always adds a nice flavor to the rice. And again, just mix. So now I've cooked this for another 1 minute after adding the salt. And it's done. After adding the salt, just let it cook slightly on very slow flame. Mixing it gently. I'm going to remove it in a bowl. Some coriander. Just I'm going to throw in a lemon. Squeeze the lemon when you want to eat it. And our Tawa Pulav is ready. So we are going to pair our yum Tawa Pulav with some quick Boondi Raita. So here I'm going to take about 2 cups of dahi. This is ready-made dahi. You can use homemade too. And I'm just going to whisk it well first. to that I'm going to add some boondi. Now here what I have is some salt, a pinch of sugar, a pinch of red chilli powder, a pinch of pepper powder, and I'm going to put all of that inside. And here I have dry Pudina powder. It's optional, but it will really enhance the taste. And I'm just going to mix. If you feel your dahi is very thick, just add a couple of spoons of water. Like I said, you can add a little water if you think your dahi is too thick. Don't make it very watery either. Just give it a nice mix. And to that, I'm going to add some coriander as always. And our Boondi Raita is ready. So I do hope you will try this yummy, easy, spicy, tangy Tawa Pulao recipe and share your feedback with us. Bye!